The Xiaomi's sub-brand Poco has launched its new smartphone under F series in India called Poco F6, with 5G support. Now let's have a look at the specifications of this smartphone. The Poco F6 5G features a tall 6.67-inch 1.5K AMOLED display, with up to 120Hz refresh rate, and up to 2400 nits of peak brightness support, and on the top it is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass Victus. The screen is HDR10+ certified, and it has Dolby Vision technology for better viewing experience. Under the hood, the phone is powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8S Gen 3 chipset, paired with Adreno 735 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 8 or 12 GB of LPDDR5X RAM and 256 or 512 GB of UFS 4.0 storage. As per the optics, the Poco F6 5G sports a dual camera setup on the rear that includes a 50-megapixel main camera with Sony IMX882 sensor, and it supports optical image stabilization for stable video recording, and there is 8-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens with Sony IMX355 sensor. The rear cameras of the phone is capable of shooting 4K videos at 60 frames per second. For selfies it has 20-megapixel camera under the hole punch at the top center, with f2.2 aperture. The device comes equipped by a massive 5000 mAh battery, with 90 watts fast charging support, and it runs on Android 14 out of the box, with HyperOS skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features an in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP64 certified for dust and splash resistance, and it includes a large VC heat dissipation system to keep the device cool in extreme conditions. And it also comes with Dolby Atmos plus high-res audio technology for better sound experience. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.4, GPS, NFC, IR blaster, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 160.5 by 74.4 by 7.8 millimeters, and it weighs around 179 grams. So now let's take a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. The Poco F6 5G has been priced in India for 8GB plus 256GB storage variant at 29,999 Indian rupees, while the 12GB plus 256GB storage model is priced at 31,999 Indian rupees, and the higher variant with 12GB plus 512GB storage option is priced at 33,999 Indian rupees. The smartphone is said to go on sale in the country starting from May 29th, in black and titanium color options. So, what do you guys think of this Poco F6 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comments section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, we'll see you guys in our next video.